Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that I will share with you a very amazing recipe, which is a Starbucks famous marble cake recipe. It's amazing, guys. It is made with just few ingredients. Let me show you. This is baking powder, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 cup of melted butter. I have taken 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and I have added 2 tablespoons of cold milk in it. So you get this kind of a mixture, chocolate mixture. These are 2 eggs. I will be using a teaspoon of vanilla essence because I'm using eggs in it. I'm taking half cup milk, half cup sugar, half cup milk and half cup sugar, and I've taken 250 grams of plain flour, which is also, you can take cake flour, you can take plain flour, all purpose flour. This is all purpose flour, and this is 1.5 cups of all purpose flour. So I have taken one big bowl, and first I'm going to add the butter and sugar and mix it. I've already added one egg in this, and I'm going to add the next egg. Right, I'm going to add the next egg, and I'm going to mix it till I get a pale yellow color. Oh my god, a shell is gone in. So I'll just mix it and show you. So guys, now since I have mixed the egg, now I'm going to add all the flour and mix it. So I've added in the flour and I've added in the baking powder. Now I'm going to add in the milk in it, because if you can see, it's all, I'm going to add all the milk and mix it. I have aligned my loaf pan with some butter and flour. I had greased it with some butter and put flour on it, and I just took out the excess of flour, and my loaf pan is absolutely ready. Now I'm going to transfer this and this into the loaf pan. This is the chocolate mixture, and this is the vanilla mix. Marble cake is absolutely ready. I had put the vanilla layer, then I had put the chocolate layer, and I swirled it with a knife, and I have put a little bit chocolate shavings on it. If you want, you can put almonds, walnuts, whatever you feel like. I had chocolate, so I had put I put some chocolate scraping, chocolate shavings on it. You can, if you want to omit it, you don't want to put it, you can just leave it out. This cake is good plain as well. I just had the chocolate chip, so I added that. Guys, so I had baked this cake for 45 to 50 minutes, and it's completely done. It's very hot right now, so I'm not cutting it into pieces. Let it cool down and then you can cut it. It's fully done. I'll show you this thing. See, it's completely